His family showed up in force less than a week since the death of this Clay County man due to terrible injuries in a crash earlier this year. The driver, who police say caused the wreck, returned to the courtroom today. As we reported last Wednesday, 23-year-old Gavin Conroy passed away after suffering burns on 93% of his body from a traffic accident back in April.
Also, both his legs were amputated. News4JAX reporter Scott Johnson was in court for Clifford Ringer's latest bond hearing. Scott, Conroy's family wants Ringer to stay behind bars and face more serious charges.
They do. They're concerned about him behind the wheel. They don't want him getting out of jail, but they came here to court to get somewhat of a mixed response. The judge and prosecutors possibly looking at a stiffer sentence for him, a lot more jail time, but he gets a bond, and he might be able to pay it and get out on the streets. Family and friends gather in force early this afternoon outside the Clay Courthouse for Clifford Ringer's first court hearing since Gavin Conroy passed away.
Just to keep showing support, showing that the fight needs to continue. We need to keep, justice going.
Conroy's family says they want Ringer's criminal penalties enhanced due to his lengthy rap sheet. And now the crash deputies say he's responsible for has caused the death of a young man who spent months fighting for his life with 93% of his body burned and his legs amputated.
He keeps getting away with this, and having a third-degree driving on a suspended license charge is insulting to us, to our whole family.
I followed Conroy's mom, Donna, and around 50 others into court, where they watched as Ringer was brought in.
Your Honor, this defendant has 8 prior convictions.
Then what happened in front of the judge did not bring relief. Prosecutors are asking for enhanced criminal penalties and want to send Ringer to prison for up to 10 years. But then the judge did the thing that's not sitting well with Conroy's family. They are giving Ringer a $260,000 bond, meaning he could feasibly bond out.
I'm in a little bit of shock right now. We knew that this was a possibility. I'm not happy about it. The bond being set so high is a win for us because it will make it a little bit harder for him to get out on the road.
Ringer's rap sheet stretches back to 1998. In fact, he even got another traffic citation after the April crash that sent Conroy to the hospital. The family worries he won't abide by the court order to not drive again. You feel he'll follow that?
No.
You don't?
His past has proven it. He's driven on a suspended license.
And I just got off the phone with a relative of Ringer a few minutes ago. They tell me, first, he feels awful about what happened. This has hit him hard. And they say, while he has had problems in the past, they say at the time of this crash, he was not under the influence of anything. They say it was an accident, and they say he will have to pay the price. And they say it has just been devastating, and he should not be portrayed as a monster, which essentially they characterize him as being portrayed at in a lot of social media commentary. They say he feels bad, and he will probably, or very possibly, do time if prosecutors are able to get a conviction. We are live in Green Cove Springs. Scott Johnson, Channel 4, the local station.
Scott, thank you.